at the by Grace TV. So this is a trading point uncle pantum. Ubia on Yabuzia. We are preparing, I mean, is it in no Ghana in any children crying for episode 4 program. Nyankopon trading and pon who your mobile no yard no be a quemwa, ebecoso. Nyankopon yadoma a dachna and nadichi. I mean, Saturday and Sunday, and of course, but you can catch us say the immediate family no about one tia because I say, or more ebidi jumano, Nyankopon yard muchna. Ya coming sem bebre, a church ya dream of one ebusia, and they are manoka say, and sem bebre na a top form. Sabia manoka say. And some way goes with the moon common. You bet die one ever banner. Obos and be before be a sea. You bet down one ever banner. Obos and before be as I be Kenya near memo. Amateurs and seminal. Bibia and Chess 2 trust Abraham no say. I mean, a lot is happening. Yeah, see our Kuram no say. The news are airborne say. Member of Parliament, former member of Parliament. Yeah, no, Jim ma addition. Yeah, or more a war Ablekuma West. About to person so yeah mama esla uso kufu or also go no agency abekasa e won ten so yes the former member of parliament for Ablekuma West constituency in the person of honorable esla uso kufu hwe de da wafidi so ye ni nkomo kakra bi ansa na de aka bi ato so but main kanje ozo busia on ze bi kan de mentoma be ka mentoma no asem wa ha e ma bebe si okabna e be ya pam ebisi fra ene ade si se me adom metimi aka che se entomano ya pama wi yes so business so we come ho a free sabre ye video ni wi yes ya dan ya ho aba no nyame ayi tailor papa bi aba wa pam entomano mama ti sisi ade me entomano ma pam ya are you ready ti mo ana mo hwe ni mu say wa pam me mfam fra ni ade no yes nyame adom entomano ya pam ya are you ready for the big day nyakopon twedi ampon ehu ye mobo na ode yen kwache ya the cloth is ready. Yes. Glorious Tasha no cray. Tell her na ye juma nyina. Wa ye na cameraman so ya de pa. Mo man mo abaso because on se me na fini bi program no me ye life earlier one we na se me raha na me fa na me sne ha na me hu dia me nyem ho na ne ma se abobo so. Nti na me hia se obi bedi achi na o se bibia be kama and tell her no ebe me se enye hwe e sabi na me dwumadi a me di nti no on my main sense from and in a record 1 hour in a record of 1 hour and I tell her 1 hour no create new papa this year the mon come on into hallelujah okay let's say welcome na tomorrow God if God permit take place for us why mati whatever ma mati me do why yanko po ya na ye me ye this is busia me ni just man bi dika catch on say entomano I did something no say ai and na kwabena fa chechire wuti e bi fa chechire o kon fa bo mu ni ade nyame ama ne saso ama tailor no wa pam wie kama this is your cameraman wa wabo bibia no kama na nyame adoma duru say was your konka ya ye de beko na fe ye kwa kwato aso de front that's the first news america ya catch you bia san say me say ade bia me ye wa ha on by Grace TV bia no enye mem na me ye enye ma ho de na me de ye sebi me ne mu ne di juma no ti dia mo pe no eno kwa na me ye anamonto bi amopese metuna na metu dia mama and that's not the one I kasa say kwabna kona kopam and be na kwa recommend say me try express nanka nipa amenya no ompam express into no I had no option than say me go by that into an anti-mo nyame adom yenya tailor wapam awie nti sezi ade me mfanto mani mfra biem na akotwe from me mfanto mani mfra biem and achese akoyi bibia o mama hu de me yema sezi ade by God's grace ujana okay akwa Vijana news ni na sisi ya mnoka seri menya tailor mana pam matado men tuma no apam ma sisi ya de nyame ado china me shene kama because tailor na pam ade no and kind ketisi me cameraman o kan obi di djuma so hwe se bibia ebeye boko yes nti no afu yem free way bi wo ye nche won se sebi akonto ni panim ni ade se bre be ko ni ade de nyame na be kire I mean e dey akonto ni panim and the body kan kra kase kwabana se wunnim na akọbọ ho busu celebration we nsi ase a ye ne wawie ye mfi obi mti kona kotwa ne fa besom ye busu ya mokasa amatinti na moba bonu aketo am se mefa mafato no se mekọ na de bekọ so bi amakwa kotwa e de aba besom tima sapon se we love you so much I know my dear just say odono bro so na minti mi na wase wie wate ya mi shram na mo abre bia mo de akomapa any odota each no me secretary yampo yankropon se hey, mo fancha mi o mistakenly yes ma ko block number B, one fan chemi, by mistake, by mistake, one fan chemi, by mistake, one fan chemi. Okay, so now let me run some way. You run some near share the bar on your screen. Minimum was your mom, dear, that's we are. Mon share the that's we. At the end, I won't for comment, bra. At the end, that's all. Yeah, yes, for comment, bra. The that's we. What is your observation? At the inference now, make it from the screenshot on your screen. Fabras is here, near to your basse. Na biake bi anso ento aso yes ninyi na say honorable Eslausu Akufu on na ye former minister for communication honorable Eslausu Akufu asanso ye former member of parliament adema Ablekuma West about one person aso na nanumre ya ye nka bi hye na ye bant interfere so ye say ye maame honorable Eslausu Akufu wabetwere saa de ye da so ya to interfere so hwɛ what you hwɛ de ho anya asem kito on say in the heat of insensing we eba na we ka say na we I mean na sense be break no ama be na align with the OGD and the latest person who align with the OGD a former minister for communication Eslausu Akufu and we say team legal wife we move and the be kura we say na ya ma me we dey enka fa ho be us Debbie na say ono so what actually say bibia be boko na bibia it is a huge endorsement from a huge legislature. I mean, one of the finest politicians I wear here my Ghana mo back only with money for Eslausu Akufu and for the fact say honorable Eslausu Akufu be barbontin now for other set team legal wise we move the NSN. I mean, Sentinel Jibebia. No, it's not a fake account, even though or another account, but it's not a fake account because I knew say this is a bit me impersonate. And the video was a fake account, so I had to go through the account and look at what it is. Yeah, and the any fake account. Honorable Eslausu Akufu, as a team legal wise, we move. The near bako, yeah, abba. And then also and I yanka binshim as an yanche because according to that any penny, I mean brand yame by Adam, there was a yakono, burning yanson by Bresson Ibeko, until the Munyabatre, Yami Adam Bibia Kama, Nabibia Ayasunji. The aside on a honorable Becca's I bet to honor, and father, a month for Neshe, month for Bibi no money and Genese. I mean this issue here, Kosi, the Brinani DHB or Matam Chuku, or my D, now motion maybe. But if you do baby, now said the going gets tougher. Omo bi ese fata se omo di omo ho gym omo bi ese fata se omo wura nsem nim na omo boa ma bibia ya asomdwe na so omo wura nsem no ma amanse nyina mu se bia ye maame Akosua Serwaa is not alone no omo di omo bechi omo bi also omo di omo gym no mu se bia ye maame Odobroni is not alone no omo di omo bechi but omo se bibiri na wa dream say I mean it is believed say yeah, mammy, Akosua Serwaa. Also, we now you the system is fighting. Sana be now dream say system not air fighting. Yeah, mammy, Akosua Serwaa. That's what most people believe. Say, I mean, the Akosua Serwaa system not air fighting. Yeah, mammy, Akosua Serwaa. And we now cast answer to that. Actually, in we do one record. And on a young Kevin Shima. I mean, there is a huge endorsement from the former legislator. They are 10 times feelings on the I'm telling you, the way I'm on for commenting how people are excited now or more edges no na enya asem ketu akra and also ti aye course kakra mo fa nche aye course kakra na medical ka se wo obi enya abotre the opposite hu the opposite what bia me say they are the opposite hu the opposite what no it's all about celebration no e bi so kwabana e ba so kwabana e ma so na say and one opposite hu and na me say the opposite hu bi so ye venue nya abotre ni nyina ye den a venue no hu ni ya on fa nya hwe ana me boa so hu venue na e dey ya na be on timi nkasa wo koda ho in the venue so who know who it's now and young watch na any Sunday and then you may in the bekoso and the message say will be antamuchuku that will be a nyabot but one thing I am setting off and say bibia guna kwem course I hear any penny for I mean you know makasani at the end everything is on point and to almost say oh that and maybe be how if be I won't say or munka no ma bontin me can send baby no nkyerɛ sɛ bia omo ada ana omo atwe san ana se bia omo into an amount they are really working. They just say on some medical culture say Sisiano or ma your margin say any money be a ya they will take it on the low a better form book or SARS in the so what you say a better form book or the at number a better number to be on the low now for BPI come the BPI as soon enough a year a demo ahyɛ ɔbɔ adeɛ Nyankopɔn din animuonyam. So we just have to cross our fingers and anticipate matters arising. But and when we go on social media as well, in fact, amanfoɔ are really fired up for the program and Nyankopɔn yɛ much na abusuafoɔ yɛ. But Mama Juliana Abi, Mama, oh me, na no me da se bi nyame hwɛ apa on edit safo. I say afi no abeka what's the secret plot? Okay, Mama, you have di ho komo. Odaroma. Yes, so the first one, Honorable Esla Akosua. Yeah, or the other don't interfere say Team Legal Wives we move. Now say she is in support of Team Legal Wives and then to a larger extent, yeah, mame Akosua Serwaa. And so I know you're back now. Yes, the one for the Nasipa. After you remember, you can hear him say, now no na pakoso, you need come kakra. You need come kakra. I mean, you're not the info. And again, on the I mean, we have a lot of things to do. And now, and a crater free nana pakoso in her buy. Crater on a crowing. Yes, any now na crater free na pakoso in her a buy. And nana upon nana boache amponsa akofo ban ya otoso miensa ya na ye pakoso in a barbontin. Ya crater free nana ho barbontin. I was more like Mamma Madaroma. Yes, now I'm subscribing, Madam. It is off me that. Crater free na pakoso in her buy. Na rubber stampy and I say authenticate the instrument of Nana Tupac. Na actresses are brady, Nana Tupac in your bush, your penny beam. Na import Nana Cracker and Oka say, what is a brandy? Ama this a brandy and neighbor shady as acting a bush your penny, interim a bush your penny, that's a bush your penny coming up before. And since some way Barbontin. After the narrative are by minimal can say, oh, Nana Pacoso Hene, Enkasai. Nana Pakoso hene enim krata ho hwe Nana Pakoso hene kura emfoa de akoso no so ya ebia o makwan ebusua ye hwe bibi wa ha krata yi ba abonten omo twe krata on the 19th na twe krata yi on the 19th moments meko yame adoma meko ye beko akra but ye pese be din ko akra na me pese breaking news ma obeka ho no mento wana mapama wi yes yame adom manya obi ama na pama ma me kama express any 1 hour wapoma wienti 1 hour se kwabna ye be se obi se rent one so de be bo mu so de be wapoma wienti nya bocha me hye kama se de na mo hwe na anti me da wase se bodin pa go techri na yetimi apoma wi asisi anyahopon ya bocha ye be hye moment anti ye be ko nyahopon ya be ko na me twa adwen se bibi so ebizi o kata na ko bia na mfi na ba ko so hene ho ebia na obi na atena be bia kruchi kata ye twa na 19th of March 2026 kata ne ba bonten on the 25th of March, that is Nansan and Anwupiada, and a cat and a babonti. Cat and a by 25th of March and 27th. I did 2 solid days. I came over 48 hours. Over time when I buy and I was around 4 p.m. Young continue 40 can break here. I was around 4 p.m. and I cat and be 2 young mountains. So, and he said, Tien you was here. This is one bar say. You create and I say, a bit more creative narrative. We say, cat in front of Napacos in a while. Or the emphasis on Napacos in your crowd on intent and feelings because I'm the only one also. Eh, then, I ain't got full want intent and feelings. Eh, then, may try address BB so. Eh, then, I ain't got full want intent and so. Eh, then, said be not Kuyano, a BB want intent and feelings so. Eh, then, you will nipper be a more ben and I'm wanting that is feeling so. Empty. If indeed, say, Kratain and any more she, Kratain free and Napacos in a while. And can you palm more ben and name? I'm a botian and also. Emma Sumtian and also as a Kratain free and a while. I know, sir, to the best of my knowledge. Until back and enough, every bar bonting. Now, the baby issue disclaimer. Said there be a Krata we are bar bonteno. And 3 men and Napacos in a while. Enti, Obia want to know be our fan as him. It was your means they make what I say. If indeed the narrative have been more creative, say, even this letter here about bonting, and free and Napacos in one na Napacos in any more at the end. Say, if indeed, say, Krata about bonting, and free and Napacos in a some count. And I want him who share. Krata bonting 48 hours new. Krata bonting 48 hours new. I broke rad was 2 days na biawa account. And in this 48 hours I cried a bonting. And to me, mad da say, saying free and Napacos in a while. Yenya will be our ben and Napacos in and I will be our nim and Napacos in it. Ya go into an answer, Nana, Krata bia bonting. Now, unim who be on him who be and your brabonting a becas and man science. And for the fact say there's a 48 hours kata ewa bonten na I mean it's from me kind of say said obi go adwen be and say bia in free na wa. And I mean it is clear say kata na nsa hya ase and woni bibi ade ba ko ma so say na nsa hya ase ne say na kata ba bonten the ko ba so no na ogina ne tumi so ne eye busuafo ni na aka bom ya mo yi na to back free ho na wa body shibranti bi dis one hwe yes, Joyce Adan, Mama Nyami Adum, but also so here, moments and say you thank God for your life, amen. Say not in free na hwa. E bansen and say wo kata ibu na abem. Ama busua disbranti a na bu ndin no. Wa sha ase yedi juma. Because in the said letter no we are na say wa body disbranti Mr. Jones Kennedy P0werful was appointed Governor P0werful say on the hwe CC a no ntutu anamonto bi e se fata se wotu say busua penny. And I'm pa na no me ko na me ni ho ba ju TV ni yan madaroma ya ma me Faustina Fosu ne ba Kofi Ayase we also what happened at Abuja Penny Governor P0werful obetina we ye nti are you telling me say sa dwumadi no kura course no a ba abonten na ye nana okay breaking news krata bia ba okay krata bia ba sisi a ma me hwe na me fa ensom amansan okay meba breaking news bia ba ma me fa som could be at law so abeka sisi ati we say ma me fa no ma me to mansan na dia ke bia onim say sa bia me sa na wo kase krata bia ba na guess omo de krata no ba abonten first krata bia ba wo che say omo ye corner royal family of Akosua. Yeah, almost person much chest to back that's your opinion. No check cat anyway. Almost here they are signed on behalf of the family, signed on behalf of the family elders. What they ever be doing on what sense must see. Many can fact breaking news here about CCA and metal amazing said I see it here. Na okay. Yes, me fan on so lawyer Steven Siampoku. On a lawyer who could mu de ma ye ma me Akosua Serwaa. Ene of ya poku mu court na no. Ona ne sahye sa breaking news asin to the mamini kan fa when nto nchen abusua munya mo abotere me se ye bonya me mpa ono mo ye nkwane ahoden ye beto from bia de beba ye de aba besom amansan said ya esi etia okay ntia wo hemfa medical am ye di no ho komansa the carter bia ba mama the news ne se ona wo esla wusu akofo ye ma hye bidwane a wugina de ma de sia emre bi ma hye bidwane wugina de ma de sia wa quest e wa ba endorse ye maame Akosua Serwaa wo mo ta na che team legal wise or the character about mountain and na say nya character ampo or trevor to and ten so set team legal wives we move yes and on update aba and na me be kasa fa na pa Akosua nya character no but breaking news bi aba you run breaking news notice ya na yen hwe yes any be at law e ho na aba okay e we him company e come na uzu kasa tente mi nya sa na me ba set treasure na se mi nya sa na e be wa se me kokra afa me ho packet to has masa I was this be at law firm a ejinam edema ye maame Akosua Serwaa afei ofaya poku who again maame Akosua brempoma any papa she and the character ya betudwa enken so sesi na eba abonten na ohwe character na aba na yinrem de yinrem yinti nsem omoka yinrem o say currently at law for immediate release na say anemoni me mama saying at ase almost say our attention has been drawn to various publications and press releases by certain quarters which seek to deliberately mischaracterize the injunctive orders of the High Court delivered on the 25th of March 2026. Say, a colonial law, where is the Kujam de Maya court? You know, so all come will be at answer. Well, what it be? I'm on for you must three. I'm on for one year. I'm on my way breaking news to make kind of answer that was. I'm on for being able to say, celebration of life, amanfo ahyase ka nsɛm ma bie na no mkɔ de court kan no nipa bi ahyase ka nsɛm no kyia no nipa bi ahyase ka nsɛm no sɛ dia enim ente saa ɛna mo ka tu futuro gu amansan ani high court verdict na sɛ asɛm a orders high court tu dwa na no okada no wɔn sɛ nipa bi ahyase ka nsɛm no sɛ no ya wɔn nka no sɛ de si etie ɛna yɛ baako ɛna afɔ to aso no sɛ accordingly we are constrained to point out as follows. Now, enim grounded in law. Na entisa na what the court said. Omo to ombo asisabri. normal church in Simo. I'm saying that I said, did can say there is no legal constraint, there is no legal restraint restricting the commemoration of the event entitled Celebration of Life of Akosua Serwaa, and all persons inclined to attend the said event are at liberty to do so without fear of any legal representation. Means you want to be also. Omo kan will be at say first of all, you can be can say court was some can and can be a dying no because court kasa we na character be abonten and a change say be buy. And almost omo be set records straight and will be at say sisi am about. You can say there is no legal restraint restricting the commemoration of the event entitled Celebration of Life of Akosua Serwaa, and all persons inclined to attend the said event are at liberty to do so without fear of any legal repercussions. And you can will be at yes, Sabi, court to tabo bia and celebration of life at the Maya Mamma Akosua Serwaa. Afi, court to tabo bia niwa. A dao na kasa AC obi kwan se. Emma on court celebration of life for your mammy Akosua Serwaa. Omo come on saying that yes. Afi almost akase. Enti se we a Ghana ni. We Mozambique ni ufri Eritrea Morocco Trinidad and Tobago baby ofri bia na se opese okọ dwumadie ni bia nyame no krenie o akwanya you are entitled so obekọ wa akwanya so obekọ nti be pese me ko bi nyame adom a me wa akwanya se mekọ ya ani kwan se me suro se actually maramu court ni me benya na se menya actually nsunsuanso bia nti wonso a wo hwe me dwumadie celebration of life of your mama Akosua Serwaa afosu opese okobia bibia ni wa esi ukwan e na men nsuro according to krata kolendi alot ya be men nsuro say bia o celebration of life bia ebenya nsunsuanso bi wo so anase kire ubenya court wasin bia because court asembia ni hono legal repercussions that's nsunsuanso actually aban mu nsunsuanso ne court nsunsuanso bia no ne ba akonti enhye ne so ti wa pese o ko bibia o tachiman o fetenta o kwame danso o adabo krom se o brekum o achim abuakwa o offenso bebia wo bia suma hinkuro gene bebia wo bia obetimi akọ abra sebi o ma bibia ni kwanso ma bibia ebo ho ne ba akọ after omo to be no say that any attempt to distort the scope or purpose of the court order as extending to the celebration of the above program is a calculated distortion of the ruling of court and should be disregarded and treated with contempt. Nti omo kama man saying that yes enunti obe biara obebu ne tirimu po obeye na adwen se obetua na mon bi akeka nsem bi a ebe chia de court waka no de se nipa kron ya obeka na okalati accord de court waka na afi waka na benya nsusuanso kra wo celebration of life of Mame Akosua Serwaa nipa kron na ye bo apayo wa hye that na se and na wadwene so say no person na monto person wo tu ni ya no otu na mo yi se be benya nsusuanso na na se otu na mo se be ya or the best dame asem a the Accra High Court ekan no and to catch will be as will be a can be say tabo bi the celebration of life of Mame Akosua Serwaa so a ema ye mfa na asem ye want to we should disregard it afei any kwase ye dey adwen kra ekoso said the IC etie no so yenso no ba kwa oka and dey twa to third one from Kolendi Alor say we further wish to serve notice to the individuals mischievously peddling these distortions that these acts, which amount to a deliberate misrepresentation of the orders of the court, are potentially contemptuous, and action will be taken to hold them to account. It will say, after all, body pebiara koko. Nipa bia washa de kan sem say God the injunction to celebration of life for Mame Akosua Serwaa you mother Roma Mr. Meka celebration of life for Mame Akosua Serwaa. God's love was bibia be fine why well need to antuma say someone must me pam afi na yapama wie tell na pama wie kama me fa mani hu de eja me de meji funu si abemo mani me ha mani kan sem but camera man hwe bia kan so ma pama wie kama nti bia ya okay it will be hu de be wadaroma na breaking news was this one na once na fe God will take care of us nyame na be na fe wa ma bibia ya kama Isaac Emmanuel hu nyame oho da marenho nyame oho that nyame na de be koso what say nti omo bo bibiara kokko nipa biara sabi washada na ono a ne kwati kwan bi so ebia bibi a ɔhwehwɛ firi bibi mu anaasɛ botaye bi a ɔno nko n'anim nti na wayere ne ho a ɛdi nkyene bɔtɔ sɛ ɔbɛka nsɛm de adane deɛ kɔɔto aka no deɛ ɔmo ka kyerɛ saa afɔn sɛ ɔmo yɛ saa eti amra ɛsan sɛ mmerɛ mu a deliberate misrepresentation of the orders of the court na sɛ ɔhyɛ daa adane kɔɔto ano asɛm na ɔyɛ biribi saa ɛno nso kɔɔto mmara ne ti asɛ deɛ Ghana mmara teteɛ yɛ na ɔno yɛbɛtumi ade kɔ edu abɔ contempt ɛyɛ contemptuous nti kɔba saa ɔmbɛtu ho anamɔ ama mo a mobɛkeka saa nsɛm na mo na mokeka saa nsɛm na ɔmbɛtu ho anamɔ ama kyerɛ nko yɛde wakɔ gyina mmara anim ama Ghana mmara ɛne wadi sɛdeɛ ɛsi tie anaasɛ Ghana mmara ne wadi sɛdeɛ ɛsɛ ne fata nti ɔmo de afutuo mu obiara sɛ obiara ɛmma abɔnten ɛmɛtutu saa anamɔ no mo obiara ɛmma abɔnten ɛmɛkeka saa nsɛm no wɔ abra obiara nim sɛ ɛnte saa nti no krataa aba abɔnten krataa firi ɛyɛ Kolendi at law ɛyɛ lawyer Stephen Nsia Opoku ɔne lawyer ɔkɔgyina mu de ma yɛ maame ɛyɛ Akosua Serwaa ɔfaya Opoku yɛ maame Akosua Abrempɔma ɛna afei ɛyɛ the last person a ɔka ho ɛyɛ Papa She ɔmo lawyer ɔgyina mu ɛfa injunction to park ɛde ɔmo kɔgyina court no yes law firm na gyina mu no lawyer no mmarani mi ne lawyer Stephen Nsia Opoku wɔn de krataa aba abɔnten sɛ abɛsi kɔmɔ na wusu kan wɔ obiara nti bi sɛ wopɛ sɛ ɔba celebration of life for maame Akosua Serwaa na ɛmusoro ɛmuhu na court taaboɔ biara ɛna so Justina medase mini aba medase pawate awuziamo like na nkɔkye maame madaroma court taaboɔ biara na so court injunction biara na celebration of life for maame Akosua Serwaa for so ɛso what you say enti no obiara ntimi nka sɛ anaasɛ mo obiara mo hu sɛ oba bi wia yɛde ba kɔgyina court oba bi wia Ghana mmara no beti ti kwamna kama mansan ti abusua sɛ wabɛka yɛn ho a that is the breaking news but then na ɛsom and the breaking on fan twɛm abusua mo mo fia na mo nua bɛn wa ɛyɛ asɛm adwuma ne so ne nso apafo no sa let's not worry twɛdi ampo Nyankopɔn ɔno ade ɛbɛkɔ na wayɛ ama yɛn sɛdeɛ ɛsɛ na ɛfata ɛnso so hɔ yes this is from the law firm na yɛka ho asɛm no Kolendi at law and aba abɔnten abɛkyerɛ nti wɔn sɛ ba mensuro ɛmɛ bibia mo ho menhihim because celebration of life for maame Akosua Serwaa court mfa injunction bi anto so enti mɛ bibia mo ho feel free ne to anamɔ no bra esan sɛ tabo biara ni hɔ ɛkyerɛ nsunsuanso biara ni hɔ nom ɛne yɛ baako afei wɔn ka ɛde akyerɛ amansa nyinaa sɛ enipa bi ahyɛda ɛna wɔn keka nsɛm a enim ɛde afa court ho enipa bi ahyɛda ɛna wɔn keka lawyer no sɛ mɛka n'asɛm wɔ ha ɛyɛ Stephen Nsia Opoku no because mpanyinfo bi a menim wɔn pa na menim wɔn di nkɔmɔ so kɔmena saa lawyer no a osi a ogyina mu de ma the defendant ɛyɛ maame Akosua Serwaa ɔfaya Opoku maame Akosua Abrempɔma ne Papa She no ɛba saa injunction ne mmara sɛ fa bibi sɛ ho a wɔn kyerɛ sɛ he's one of the best in the country bɛbɛka saa asɛm a mɛka ekura bi tukɔ apɛn ɔha wɔni ɛna deɛ nti I'm not surprised from the release of the Babonten Enra and then so Sandy we ban. I'm not surprised one bit because on we nim need nim pa. Okay. Nana cha venue is set but on say material say on say we have so be low key but they be home and we are me kwan say men can't na men kan but the idea of course now venue is set. Me say Salome what you can me baby no be catch why venue is set but omunya ma ye kwan say ye mfa to dwa me say why but very near setter area you be who answer na nyambo china a brain so na de akebia and so atwaso na bibia so let's just cross fingers and anticipate how things are going to be like and so okay hey mama Julie mama okay so when you set today on my acquaintance can say mama cry aboso okay yes mama boss is a Legon Stadium okay I think something like that. And you know, let's just cross our fingers. Now I doubt Independence Square. I doubt. O de umenya abutere wa mpomesika. Umenya abutere. I think say bibia be dana kwem. Bibia we dana kwem. Sebia ese na efata na afi bibia to aso kama. And so on. The way it was a breaking news. Yes, the bania besumi na ho. And the breaking news they say Kolendi at law lawyers. You jam the defendants now. Almost yen can because on say up to now be na dwemu yon wo kese ni say akwabena na dwumadie nti ɛbɛba so nie ana dwumadie nti ɛma so ana bebree na yes former Supreme Court judge ɔna ɛyɛ yeah Justice Yoli Kulendi ɔna Chambers na yɛ ne deɛ nti yɛn nua Stephen ɔno deɛ ɔka ho bia yɛn nua Stephen yɛ lawyer a ɔwɔ hɔ nom nti ɔmo yɛ ɔmo yɛ ɔmo gyina brane ɔmo say I just wait the ongoing preparation no correct so I know say ɛsɛ dɛ mama de ato dwan Legon yeah nti no as time goes on no update bi ɛbɛtɔ so bia na ɛbɛsan ba na yɛde mu nkyerɛ mu ɛne mama ne bɔ nyinaa aba abɛsom amansa nti abusua this is refreshing ti wo pɛ sɛ wobɔ a mo ana mo frɛfrɛ me kwamna na adeɛ yi yɛba a obi ama mɛkyerɛ adeɛ yi yɛba pressure bi a court nsɛnsɛm bi ani akyerɛ no Kulendi aba abɔnten abɛka sɛ problem so kama bi ante sɛ yɛde kata aba abɔnten obi a ɔpɛ sɛ ɔbɛ bia ɔmra obi a ɔpɛ sɛ ɔbɛ bia ɔmra ɛsiane sɛ biribi ada n'apɛm yɛ biribiara ɛnso so ɛyɛ asɛm nti wɔde ɛno a na ɛbaeɛ a ɛyɛ sɛ yɛde bɛsom ansae na yɛho up with respect to deɛ ɛkɔ so and what we have to na afei biara ɛyɛ nti wɔde ɛnkasa nkyɛ asɛ kora na nka mba bɛka no because of this breaking news about it and say amame ntumi anka ɛberɛ no so kora na ɛkɔ was nkɔmmɔ a na nka mba bɛti na kasa no breaking news about it ntumi anka and that is wonim sɛ character nso asa but no bɛsɛ mɛka ho asɛm kora character nso aba abɔnten a ɔbɛ sɛ